What's up, guys? We're back with another one. Today we got a single cab Silverado in for a brand new sunroof install. We're gonna do a purple suede headliner with some starlights. Waiting for the customer to drop it off. We do have a busy, super busy weekend ahead of us. I just got a lot of cars in. As you can see, we got the F-150. We're gonna be doing a tiny window on this, the first ever that I know of. I already did it on a crew cab F-150, F-250. And then we got the Yukon XL parked out there in front of the neighbors, which I'm gonna end up parking it back over here. We got a lot of parts to paint. We got bottom valances. We got a color match. We got HD Duramax hoods. We got a color match. I got more parts coming. I still have more parts in the back of my house, and I'm getting more parts in today. And I think I'm getting some tail lights to color match, open up and color match. So stay tuned, guys. I'll record everything I get in and see how we're going. But right now we're waiting on the customer. We're gonna go ahead and knock out the sunroof so I can get it wrapped in purple suede, take it in to my wife and my daughter. They do all my starlights, and then we'll start working on the F-150. By the time I get the sunroof installed and all that, hopefully the starlights will be done later on today. Put that on, have the customer take out that truck, and we'll continue with the F-150. Alright, guys, customer just dropped it off. We have done the tiny window already and the HD front end. We're gonna go ahead and do a sunroof with the starlights. Check it out. Tiny window. Everything is blacked out, so it's gonna look good. That purple's gonna stand out. We're gonna go ahead and paint his sun visors and stuff purple. Go from there. I'm gonna turn this truck around, start taking it apart, and start on the sunroof. Alright, guys, we got the sunroof hole cut out. Interior's out. Check it out. We're gonna go ahead and we already pre-fit the sunroof. It's gonna fit good. We're gonna go ahead and install this seal. Goes around the inside of the sunroof. Put the seal on. Pop it in place. Put the bottom bracket. Install the mortar. Install the box, and then put that at the very end. Power it up. Sunroof should be done. We'll get on to the headliner. Quick and easy. Let's get it. Got it all installed. Just a sunroof for now. Nice and clean. It's kind of hard to tell because it's... Let's see. But yeah, there she is, powered up. Now we're going to start on the headliner, get that wrapped in suede, and then take it inside and get the starlights started. As they're doing the starlights, I'm going to get the power ran for the starlights, which won't take me but 15 minutes. And now we're going to start on this bad boy on the tiny window. Alright, guys, we got the headliner done. Check it out. We have it all ready for the starlights underneath. We did get another hood in. Like I said, we got more parts in. HD hood. We got the HD grill. We gotta sand it all down, break it all apart. We're gonna be painting this one both sides. And then I did have them drop off the original hood so I can take it into the paint shop and get a good color match off of it. That's pretty much it. We're pretty much close. We're gonna go ahead and send the headliner inside. They can start on it, and then I'm gonna get started on the Ford. Oh, I need to get started on the wiring for the box for the starlights. Get that done, and then we'll get on the Ford. All right, guys, install's done. Check it out. Came all badass. Purple suede. Got 500 lights. Sunroof install. Nice and bright. Check it out. Real good. We did paint these purple. It came out alright. Not better than having them tan, but the purple, dark purple, does it just matches better with the purple, the light purple. But yeah, came out good, guys. Another one done. Another one in the books. Robskustoms. Hit me up for sunroof, starlights, suede. Let me know. I am out of Albuquerque, New Mexico. I know a lot of you guys asked where I'm where I'm based out of. If you guys watch to the end of the video, it will tell you where I'm at. It has my email and my number. But check it out. That looks badass. Alright, let's get some video of it on the outside.
Perfect.